Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nohanisa Izzati and my team member is Muhammad Fahim and Muhammad Safran. So in this video, I am going to present our project phase 1. Okay, so the problem faced in the current system is that the traditional lost and found systems are inefficient, which are making it hard to find lost items and connect them with their owners due to the ineffective communication. Okay, so first, let's go through the client's need. So in this system, there are going to be 3 clients, which is the students who have lost their item, the staff who have found the items, and lastly, the campus administration who are going to manage the system. So for students, they need a convenient way without having to move back and forth to multiple offices and departments just for reporting their lost item. So basically, they require an immediate response and help to search for their item, as it might be an important stuff which might affect their daily activities as a student. For example, like laptop and smartphone, which are very crucial for students. And lastly, they need the lost and found platform to be highly accessible and easy to use, so that they can quickly and efficiently report the lost items from anywhere they are, whether it be inside or outside of the campus. Basically, they want a high portability system so that it is very easy to access. Okay, so for the second client, which is the faculty and staff members, these individuals who might have found the item needs an efficient way to report the found items and return it back to their owner in order to minimize the burden and time spent just to handle the lost item. They need a clear communication channel and procedures to submit the item information so that their message can quickly reach its rightful owner. Faculty and staff member might want to maintain their anonymity while reporting the found item, as it might be a sensitive or valuable item. And lastly, for campus administration, the administration of this platform needs a centralized system in order to consistently and efficiently manage the lost and found items across various departments and locations on campus. So tools are needed by administrators to manage and monitor the status of reported item from initial submission until the final resolution. So administrators need access to data and reports to analyze trends in lost and found items and gaining insights to identify problem areas. Next, for the approach, our approach involves creating a user-friendly platform in order to fulfill the needs of UTM's community, featuring intuitive reporting tools, efficient item management, and seamless communication channels with a focus on collaboration with campus department and user engagement. Okay, so first of all, in order to fulfill the students' need, a user-friendly mobile application or web platform is developed so that students can easily report their lost item by giving out the details of it, including item description, the location they might have lost it or last seen, as well as their contact information. And as for the faculty and staff, a dedicated portal inside of the platform where faculty and staff members can easily and quickly report found items, reducing the time and effort required to handle the lost item while maintaining their anonymity from the student. And lastly, for campus administration, a comprehensive dashboard specifically made for administration where they can view and manage the reported lost item, track the item users, communicate with students to connect their report with found items, and generate reports.
The mockup and visualization. This is what the system will look like, and at the head we will have a logo and a title for the lost and found, and then we also have the search button for the user to find what they are looking for easily, and then for the feature we will have four for item entry, all entry, lost item inquiry, and matching. So at the left side of the website, we will have many options for the user to have a simple user-friendly interface. And then for the quick entry, we will put what is the common item that is lost, and the user can easily click the button to show that they lost what item. Like if they lost the sunglasses, they can click the sunglasses and then fill in the details so that the system can find it easily.
Next, for development plans, there's 6 in total, and for the first one is market positioning. This loss and found platform will be perceived as a valuable service which can enhance campus safety, security, and community engagement. It emphasized the platform's user-friendly interface, efficiency, and reliability compared to the old traditional loss and found system. Okay, next, for cost. A cost analysis will be conducted in order to determine the resources required for platform development. The platform will be free of charge for students and staff to use. However, we might consider potential revenue streams such as advertising, sponsorship, or premium features in order to offset the development and maintenance costs. Third one is staffing. Assemble development team with expertise in web and mobile application development, user experience design, and project management. The fourth one is partnering. We will collab with the campus stakeholders, including student organization, to gather feedback, promote adoption, and ensure alignment with university policies and procedures. So for the fifth one is the deliverables. We are going to produce a high fidelity prototype and the UI UX design. Also, we are going to develop a fully functional platform with core and advanced feature that can help students to find their lost item as well as enhance the current lost and found system. And lastly, for timetable, this platform is expected to be complete in 3 months. So during the first month, we are going to design and plan the platform which is going to be developed. And the second month, this is where our team will actually develop the platform. And lastly, in the third month, we will conduct the system testing and launch it once it has been finalized. So that's it for system approach.
Next, for the benefits for the student, first, it is a real-time notification. So when the item has been found, the system will immediately inform the student if the item is lost. Then it is a quick recovery. Student can find the lost item quickly since it is integrated with an AI. So, AI is an artificial intelligence. Next, it is easy to use. So the mobile app allows students to report lost items anytime and anywhere. Next, we'll go to faculty and staff. So for the faculty and staff, it is a user-friendly interface since the interface is simple for the user and admin to use, and it is easy to understand. Next, the efficiency. So for the efficiency, the faculty and staff can worry less about managing lost and found items for the student so that they can improve their teaching ability. Next, campus administration. For the campus administration, it is cost effective since it reduces the cost for manual management and storage of lost items. So the system will enhance user experience by providing a seamless solution for the lost and found items since it helps the students, staff, and faculty satisfaction to find the lost item on this. So lastly, for the data insights, for data insight, admin can access report and analyze lost and found items trend to improve campus security so that they can detect where the most trend that people lost their items and they can improve the campus security there. So why must we win? So because first it is a user-friendly interface, and we combine technology with a deep understanding of institution. And lastly, the system make it make it for the user to easily find their lost item. Thank you.
Bismillah and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zafran. I'm from Group 6, and today I'll be continuing this presentation, and I'll talk about our competition and our clients' alternatives. So for our direct competitors, we have a three, which is loss returns, loss and found manager, and iLoss for business. So for loss returns, It's a service that helps you recover your lost items and return them safely back to you. It's a software that provides a solution that make inventory search and convenient return delivery service very fast. So it's very quick. So this software was designed to lower cost and create new revenue. Okay. Um, so the other one is Lost and Found Manager. So Lost and Found Manager is a cloud-based solution which helps businesses in the aviation, mostly from the aviation and public transport and hospitality industries, uh, s- to register found, lost and found items, manage returns, and customer service operations. So it was developed in cooperation with the industry leaders from the aviation and public transportation, because usually that's where people mostly lose their stuff. And this software is usually used by organizations all around the world in a major and global scale with millions of passengers. All right. So for last one is iLost for Business. So iLost for Business is a system that provides an online solution for loss and found management for businesses. So it allows complete shipping of items to a customer's door, regardless where the item is originated. So people can ship their lost items and schedule pickup to and pay shipping costs. So it's a market thing usually for lost and found stuff. Okay, so for our indirect competitors, we have social media platforms. So platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or WhatsApp. People often where people will post their lost and found items. So like for example, like in WhatsApp groups, they will post, whose item is this, and people usually respond to it. For our next indirect competitor, we have community forums. So like I said, community forums is also like media platforms where online forums and bulletin boards are people post lost and found their lost and found items. So has anyone seen my cat? Has anyone seen my dog? My item this, my item that. So and people will communicate to their forum. And lastly, we have local authorities where some people might prefer this because they're authorities, and people might prefer to report lost and found items to policemen, local authorities and or campus security. Okay. So for the next slide, I will talk about why is our system better than competition. Firstly, we have a user-friendly interface. So our interface would be designed solely on for students, faculty, and staff to report lost and found items. Compared uh, to the other systems, ours are dedicated for university staff members and users. So our will be more intuitive, and which can lead to higher user adoption and satisfaction. So next, we have real-time notifications. So our system will provide real-time notifications to students when their lost items are found. So this feature can significantly reduce the time it takes for students to recover the lost items, which provides a superior service compared to other competitors that may not offer this feature. So when people lose their stuff, and they will send it to the app, our system, and people have found it, they will just can click off the button, and the person who lost the item can get a notification that whether their item has been found. Okay, and lastly, we have efficiency for faculty and staff. So the system provides a dedicated portal for faculty and staff to report found items. So this can streamline the process and reduce time and effort required to handle lost items, which can improve the teaching ability and the overall job satisfaction. So by having this, it's efficient for faculty or people who found the lost items. So it's like we don't have to store the items that long, and we don't have a dedicated storage room. So anything found will just get passed away, until no one wants them, and we just throw away. Okay. Other than that, I could think of maybe enhanced user experience, as I said mentioned before. It provides a enhanced user experience for students and staff dedicated towards our university. Mm, and that and yep. Other than that, we have maybe it's more cost effective. Yeah. So our system is designed to reduce of manual management and storage of lost items. So like I said, we don't need rooms or special staff to handle anything lost and found, anything lost or found, anything lost and found. Right. That is all for me, uh, and from my group. So thank you very much for listening, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.